there we go. Let me put some food inside the oven. Wait, let me put some pizza in the oven right there. This way keeps nice and warm. And welcome back from my street Iacopelli. Today I'm going to shoot an amazing video because I am a special person that I flew from all the way from Italy here to Los Angeles for a special event. A special. Vieni qua, too much talking right now. Come here. Look at this, who is here with us?
Che c'è?
We got my father, Vincenzo Iacopelli, directly from Italy. I flew the right. I'm gonna speak in. Parlo un attimo in inglese perché sennò quando capiscono niente.
Ok.
So today I'm going to show you his own recipe for the very Bari style pizza, guys. Yes, when I say Bari style, it's the nice pizza, crispy and crunchy and not soft in the same time. So
croccante.
So wait to see because there's so many things going on. And he met my son for the first time, guys. That's an amazing moment. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point. But anyway, the whole point is also because we're gonna.
Stai calmo.
Sei pronto? Facciamo too much talk. Let's get ready because so many people are coming. The event is gonna start at 5.
Tra 10 minuti possiamo
But
iniziare.
wait, guys, you're gonna see everything from the beginning. So smash the like, subscribe, and see you the next one. I'll see you the next. See you watching to the end. We are at the LAX and waiting for my father to come. He's gonna meet my little Walter for the first time. Wanna come, papi? On 3, 1, 2, 3. He's gonna meet this little boy for the first time. Let's see what he's gonna say. Are you ready to see Grandpa Vincenzo? It just landed, so let's wait. Sta coming nonno Vincenzo. Ciao, Benvenuto. Ciao, sto arrivando al video, eh?
Ciao,
Come stai? Hai visto papà?
Oh.
And now it's gonna be an interesting week. You're gonna work. Oh, Papa, I brought you a burger.
Oh, a burger! No! Un caffè italiano!
Welcome to USA!
Caffè italiano!
Guys, everything starts with the dough. So my father is going to teach you today his own recipe for the perfect Bari style pizza.
Esatto.
Ci siamo?
Sì.
Di tutti gli ingredienti, ok?
Sale.
I'm gonna leave you with my father. I'm gonna go ahead and do something.
Sale, lievito di birra, olio d'oliva,
Flour, father.
un po' di zucchero. Sì.
In the dough.
Sì.
The sugar in the dough.
Dare il colore alla pizza.
The sugar is the
Ok.
for the color.
Ecco. Olio. Oggi prepariamo 2 kg. Invece, siccome per questa sera metto acqua fredda, ok? Perfetto. Questo è Bari style, eh?
I just finished to make my own dough, and now it's your turn. Let's go make some dough.
Ok.
Tutto a posto, tutto pronto?
Ragazzo, apri la porta, dai.
Scusa, tutto pronto?
Sì, tutto ok. Adesso mettiamo già questo qui.
Che stai facendo ora?
Sto aggiungendo l'acqua perché io comunque vado tutto a occhio, non
pesi
misuro l'acqua, non misuro, sì.
Quanto tempo deve impastare?
Lo so, poi devo vedere quando è pronta.
Quindi tutto ad occhio. Quello è il segreto.
Eh sì, non c'è un tempo.
Il segreto è quello?
È quello che io devo controllare se è pronto l'impasto.
The secret.
Non c'è un tempo.
Guys, don't worry about. The secret is gonna be in description. Just understand. So don't worry about.
È un miracolo che si avvera, perché quando vedi che questa cosa da un po' di farina, un po' di acqua e un po' di sale avviene il miracolo, come quando fanno il pane, è un miracolo e tu dici mamma mia, cosa ho fatto? L'ho creata io. Vedi che bella? Una bella pizza stasera.
After I close and sold the restaurant, things change, the pandemic things. So for me, it's super important that today he came here. And also, I did a little bit even for you today to show you the Bari style, to show you the passion, how important is the passion for pizza. So I'm glad that you are here watching. Please watch until the end because this video is all worth it. And there we go. So the dough is ready. The machine is clean. That's what you're looking for. He's looking for. This is sentimental. So you have to work with the dough. You have to,
oltre al cuore ci vuole anche l'orecchio.
You have to be together. That's why when you do something, it's very important that you need to have passion. This is passion.
Basta, stop, finito.
Stop. So now cover up, close the box, and let it rest for about 6 to 8 hours to grow. That's it. Now that is not here, guys. The secret is gonna be the amount of the recipe. Shh, don't say anything. He's gonna get mad if I say this. Is the amount of the ingredient that he put. I'm gonna put everything in the description, and also pay attention is the timing, how it works. And things like that, the hydration. So it's everything important. But for you, don't worry about it. I'm gonna write down everything in the description for you. And for this, smash that like. Let's go. Share is free.
Lascia il cazzo la mano.
2 hours.
Stai tranquillo.
Everything gonna start.
Relax.
2 ore.
Relax.
No, relax, niente, relax. The oven is still not ready. Relax. How are we gonna relax, guys? We need to make 300 pizzas today, hopefully.
Relax.
He's gonna make the pizza with the roll. I put some wood here on the side because it gets warm up. The wood will absorb all the heat, and then when I'm going to put it on the top, it will fire up right away. It's gonna keep fire and keep fire. So the fire is gonna give it the pressure and the temperature to the oven. Right now I'm bringing the pizza oven to temperature, so you have to focus, because if the oven is not ready, the pizza doesn't come out good. 80% of the flavor of the pizza is the pizza oven. You know what I'm saying? We are set. So now finally we are ready, and for the first we have to make my Neapolitan style before I show you my father pizza, the Bari style. So it's already, like, you know, it's already a pizza that is different stretch, different texture, different hydration. So here we're gonna make a special one, which is the Iacopelli pizza. That's the reason why we are here, Iacopelli. So olive oil, little bit of tomato sauce. So this pizza is rosé. Then we have some chili, and then fresh mozzarella on top. Yeah, put it on the pio, voila, and a little bit of olive oil on top. Iacopelli, guarda impara, in the oven.
Questa non è Bari style, questa è Napoli style.
Then we get flame, we need flame in the oven when we cook the pizza Neapolitan style. Bari style is not super important, but Neapolitan style is very important, the flame. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and check the bottom. The oven is perfect. So pizza, we go 1, 2, 3. Iacopelli is ready.
Oh, non manca la fotografia della pizza mia.
Patani on top. Just a little bit. Go.
Allora, il mio impasto non lo sa fare nessuno, perché io non peso, io faccio tutto a occhio, tutto mi viene naturale, mettere ingredienti. Io non non peso, guardo solo il tempo. Quando il tempo è differente, solo il lievito differente. Questa non è Napoli style, questa è Bari style.
Guys, we start the service here and we already been slammed, already a lot of people waiting for all Neapolitan style, and then when I have a little bit of chance, I'm gonna show you I wanna explain you how my father makes the Bari style pizza. Bari!
Bari!
Bari! Bari!
Voilà! Vai.
Thank you so much for coming!
Bravo Vito!
Oh. From Italy,
Ciao,
directly
grazie
from...
a tutti, grazie!
Wait.
Thank you!
Wait, what thank you? He doesn't speak any English. He came from Italy to do this event today. So thank you.
Che bello!
Applause, vai!
Ragazzo!
Oh. Wow guys, finally we have the time to explain it to you. We got so busy. We made about, quante pizze abbiamo fatto?
250.
250 pizza probably. We got so busy, packed. Now finally it's come down. It's the time to explain you the Bari style, my father pizza dough. And also I'm gonna make the Neapolitan style next to him, just to see the comparison. Sei pronto a fare la barese? Vai, vieni. So
Io sono nato pronto.
This is the pizza dough from my father, what's left. Because we got so busy. Okay, so here, let me get mine, because we're gonna make it together. Aspetta, dobbiamo fare insieme.
Ok.
Okay, here. And this is my dough, hold on. Okay, this is mine, what's left. So the dough is about 250 grams, super light. Okay, go. You go this side, I go this side. Right. This way we can show how you make the Bari style.
Vai. Bari style.
Bari style versus Neapolitan style. So like you can see guys, he's stretching the Bari style, I'm stretching the Neapolitan style. You can see the difference between me and my father. Ends versus roller pin. Roller pin is because he's taking off all the air to the crust. This way it doesn't pop out.
Domani esce che tu la tarete.
Took me 3 seconds to stretch. Buonanotte.
Grazie,
Buonanotte,
grazie.
Tesorino. What are you doing? You sleep? Who's this? Cement.
La colpa è tua.
Cemento, perché?
È perché il mattarello non è suo.
Oh, the roller pin is that. We went all over the place to to find the roller pin today. So he's blaming to the roller pin that is not. It's taking the time. You finish? Finito? Tell me when. Okay, I'm gonna go get a coffee. Okay.
Vieni qua, vieni.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put tomato sauce in the center. I'm gonna go slow because it's gas. Voila. I'm gonna put pecorino.
Scusa.
Vai.
Scusa.
Vai. I'm gonna put fresh mozzarella, and I'm gonna put some whatever is left of basil. Sorry guys, but we run out of everything right here. Then a little bit of olive oil. What's left?
Mozzarella. Maggio.
What's left? Vai, we have some, there we go.
Olio. Origano.
Origano.
Finito.
Finish?
Sì.
Oh, buongiorno. Okay, so this is how we put the pizza on the peel with Neapolitan style. Can you hold the peel per piacere? Puoi mantenere la pala? Grazie.
Ah, vedi, qua c'è bisogno dell'aiuto.
Thank you. This is how you put the pizza on the peel. Twist, then boom. I'm gonna make a 12 inches pizza. Nice and big. All the way. Boom. And this is how you get the bari style.
Bari style, vedi? Tac.
No, it's just a little bit small. So now we cook. Now we cook the pizza. So the bari style is cooked far from the flame, so it's a low temperature, so we keep the pizza more farther than we can. The Neapolitan style we try to cook it faster, so it takes half of the amount of the time. Voila. Neapolitan style is about to be ready. So 3, 2, 1. The Neapolitan style, nice, soft and puffy, it's ready. Put it right here. Sorry. Nice. I'm gonna put some nice hot honey on top.
E qui c'è la bari style. Vado?
Voila!
Ecco
My pizza is ready. Aspetta. And the bari style right there. Put it right here. We got bari style versus Neapolitan style. You can see this is the dough. It's even softer. It's super soft compared to the bari style. Super crunchy.
Ora niente pizza.
It's time to go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and taste the pizza right here. Come here, everybody who wants to taste the pizza, come this side. Okay, see, it's super crunchy. I'm gonna taste the bari style, to be honest.
E poi si è trasformato. E poi non lo riconosco più.
Vieni, oh, vieni qua, vieni a assaggiare la pizza. So the best is to get one of these and one of these. Ok, I'm gonna go.
Allora la pizza?
Vieni ragazzi, volete assaggiare la pizza?
Ha detto sì.
No, loro. Vieni tu.
Sì, ragazzi, prendete la pizza, non vi vergognate.
Come back here. It's good.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
È buona. Vediamo la napoletana. And this dough is different, eh? The dough is different.
L'impasto è differente.
Napoletana, eh?
Napoletano. Niente più pizza qua.
La pari è buona.
È buona.
Oh. You guys like that because the honey. Thank you so much for watching. We are finished. Thank you so much guys for coming. I'll see you the next week. And smash the like and share this video. Ciao!